Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about Sealsq, Laes, Sealsq Corp. Stock climbs as CEO reveals 93 million sales pipeline, increasing the adoption of quantum-resistant technology. The firm has no outstanding warrants containing anti-dilution clauses, which can strengthen its ability to attract new investment. They've eliminated all convertible debt and warrants, strengthening its balance sheet, with a cash reserve peaking over 90 million, with a sales opportunity pipeline of 93 million through 2028. With 40 opportunities related to TPM quantum-resistant technology. Okay. I'm more high on Rigetti. And what's the other one? IonQ. But Sealsq, if you guys remember the video I made going over the due diligence, it's one of those that they talked a big game about 2025 being like their year. And we're already 3 months in, which is crazy. Time just flies by. But they are following through right now on a lot of what they said they were going to do back in 2024. So... and it's right where I like it at 20, if it was at $20, I wouldn't be talking about it. Other than to tell you don't buy before the Nvidia CEO opens his big mouth and causes it to drop, which we know was an overreaction. But either way, this is a buy. I give it a buy rating here because number one, they're following through on everything. Number two, they're communicating consistently. That's also important. Number three, we're at fair value price, to put it that way. So anytime a stock goes, so this purple line is the 200 weighted moving average. I use a very simple strategy. I only trade the daily. I never trade anything smaller or bigger. It's always the daily, and I always have the weighted moving average and just set it to 200. Click confirm. Now you have the exact same setup. The MACD, I can't even use this right now in a bear market, but whenever the stock price comes down to this purple line, you're buying at fair value. That's how I want you to think about it, right? Think about this for a second and what I'm about to say. If you had bought up here at 11, you're buying when it's way above that purple line. So you're really paying a huge premium. You're really paying way too much for the price, for the stock. And all those people that bought up here are obviously holding a huge bag, but you're smart and you understand, hey, sure, it may be an arbitrary purple line, but that arbitrary purple line helps you buy cheap. It helps you avoid holding a bag or averaging down from up here. You just sit on your butt for 2 months, or in this case, it took 3 months? No, not 3 months, 2 months and 4 days. For it to finally come down to that purple line, and you can start buying in here. Even if you buy at $3, you're buying at, compared to the people that bought almost at 12, you're buying it at fourth. Literally, you're buying at a huge, not even 50%. You're buying at a huge 75% discount almost, which is insane value if you think about it that way. Like, would you rather be the one that buys here or up here, right? So I give this a buy rating. And my personal target would be $6. Like, buy in under 3, accumulate it under 3. It goes to 6, take your 100%. If you believe in it long term, then just start buying. And if it comes under the purple line, well, if buying way above it means you're paying a huge premium and you're buying it when it's too expensive, well, the opposite would be that if you're buying when it's way under the purple line, then you're buying it when it's at a huge, I'm talking massive discount. You're buying it at a massive discount. So it would just be the opposite, right? The last time this was under the purple line, nobody wanted it. Down here at $1, and then eventually, boom, right? Now everyone wants it. It gets pushed back above that purple line. So that's why I'm saying buy around or under the purple line, and you'll avoid holding a bag, number one. Number two, you're getting a discount or fair value. The theory is that stocks always come back to their average. In this case, I use the 200 because it's very reliable. Like, it just stocks always go back to it. So, it takes a lot of selling pressure for it to get pushed down here. And usually at that point, the selling pressure is finished and you get buyers stepping in. If it comes down lower, then it's nothing more than, I mean, you're getting, if this comes down to $1, you're getting literally, I mean, compare that to buying up here at 11, you're getting, that's a, I don't even know what that would be, a 90% discount? Like, that's how you have to think of it. I think too many people, I don't know how they view the markets, but they seem to have a different, they don't see it that way. They don't see it as, I want to buy at a discount and as cheap as possible to get the best bang for my buck. So long term, up to you, but I would say start accumulating here. Better than accumulating all the way at 11 or 10 or 9 or 8 at this point. That's it. Again, short term price target not $3, $6 if you want that 100%er. Let me show you that real quick. I don't know how long it's going to take for this to get to, the next big move. Right now, Trump is the one that's moving the markets, so it's kind of, who knows when we'll get another big move in the markets, another hype cycle. But yeah, so a $3 move, 100% would bring it to, around $6. And that is possible. But right now, we're in a downtrend. Trump opens his mouth, things start dropping. There's Canada tariffs and all this other stuff, trade wars, whatever the case may be. So take advantage. I don't know if Trump administration is coordinating this on purpose, like they're purposely doing all this to. I assume so. I'm assuming that the Trump administration is coordinating a pump and dump, which I'm not gonna complain. But we have to, buy the dump, buy the dips. And then when it pumps, then we'll make our money. And we'll make more because we're not scared. We're buying right now when no one wants it, when everyone's scared. Because when people aren't scared, they're excited. They're greedy, and they buy up here thinking it's going to go to 100 or whatever. So hopefully this changes your mindset. Or maybe you start seeing things differently. Or maybe not. I don't know. Everyone has their own strategies, but this is mine. And I'm just revealing it to you because I don't care. You know why I'm giving you my strategy? Because nobody's going to have the discipline and patience. There's people in my Discord right now who don't have discipline or patience. Like they see a stock start exploding 100% and they want to chase it. Despite the fact that I tell them like over and over again, just follow the strategy and you'll be fine. If it explodes, don't chase it. Let it go. It'll come back down. See? People we're telling me, oh, it's not going to come back down. Well, it does come down. I don't know why this works. I don't know why they like to come back down to their average, and that's cool. Yay, basic math. But take advantage of that basic math, right? It's just very simple math. Comes back down to its average. Cool. We buy at the average or under, and we make a lot of money. And very rarely lose. And this only works on good companies or companies with potential. Do not use this on garbage. Like, do not use this on stocks that are like in a permanent bear market. Do not use it like on Mullen stock, right? Like, look at this. It just keeps going down. Where's the purple line? Like, well, you would think, oh, hey, Shades, look, the purple line, it's, we're way below it, so it's cheap, right? No, this thing just keeps going down. Why would you want to buy this? So, like, you just got to be careful not to use this strategy on garbage. Like, this is just trash. And there's plenty of those out there. And sometimes I give people my strategies and they decide to use it on like the worst stocks possible. This is not a bad one. At least this one gets green. At least buyers show up at the purple line. So there you go, guys. Most people do not have the discipline and patience. That's why I give away my strategy for free. And you can call it an arbitrary purple line. Well, I don't know, man. It works for the ones that have the patience and discipline.